All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So finally, there's a case out there that won't break the bank that's actually going to protect my iPad Mini 6. This is a Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. This is one of their tried and true cases. It's very nice. It has a place for the pen. It has a kickstand. And we're going to try it on today. And I'll give you some first impressions. And I'll probably end up following up again because I'm going to use this for a while going forward, obviously. So, all right, you got your instructions here, which we all know. If we use Supcase products, we definitely know how to put the products on, but you still need to get an installation guide for those that are new to the game. So there's the installation guide, and here's the case. Very nice. Now, I do have a tempered glass on my iPad Mini 6. And we'll see how that plays with it. So before we get into the actual case itself, here's that beautiful kickstand that we know and love. Just pop it open right here. And while this is plastic, it should be fairly strong for most people. You shouldn't have a problem with this breaking over time. I have yet to have one of these break, and that's just the truth. Whether it be on the phone or anything. And it is not, it's the way it's constructed to give it that strength. And the weight of your product inside of here will help that as well. But ultimately, this is plastic, folks, so you still need to be careful with it. So on the spot back here, you can see where the camera is going to be poking through and protected. It's a little spot for the pen. And the reason you have that opening there for the pen is because you need to get your pen out. So you can just push on the back right there. Little spot for the camera up there. And then obviously the fingerprint reader here. In that position, deeply recessed, so there will be no accidental presses more than likely. Then you got your volume rockers here and some spots for the ports on the iPad itself. And you can see the bottom here as well. So there's a groove here, so you always want to press in that groove to get the actual inner lining out. Now, honestly, I'll probably remove the plastic screen protector that's in here because, again, I do have a tempered glass, and I know it might not play well with it. We shall see in this video, but more protection. Let me get the iPad Mini and the pen. There's my pen. And let's clean up the iPad Mini before I stick it in there. Because once I peel that off, I'm going to go ahead and, just so to make sure it's nice and clean, I'm going to go ahead and make sure I get this in one fell swoop. So here's the inner lining protector there. Gotta love that. Now let's go ahead and see how this works with my tempered glass. The reason I did it that way because I don't want to touch the screen at all. So for now, it's a very snug fit. I can tell you that's to be expected because, again, I have a tempered glass on here. And this case, doesn't need a tempered glass. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this bottom portion in as per the instructions. It goes around. I like how that's built around there too. It makes it really simple. And what you do is you just work the grooves around. You work them around and you just make sure everything is on there. Oh yeah, it's definitely, that fingerprint reader's good. There it is, man. Oh yeah. Now let's pop the pin in. And it fits snug. And to get the pin out, push on the back right there. And you can get it out, right? Just like that. So pop this open right here. And then boom, there it is. So touch sensitivity right now looks to be really good. And then if you want to pop open the stand and watch a movie, you're going to be good to go. So I appreciate them sending this over. Taking a look here around the back before I get out of here. Fingerprint reader works really good. This is how it's going to look right here. Your camera is deeply recessed and extremely protected. You got that beautiful branding on here. This is just going to be a good look. And I am super excited that they sent this over. Couldn't be happier. I appreciate them supporting the channel. And here is the Unicorn Beetle Pro for your iPad Mini 6. I can highly recommend this because, not because they sent it over, because I've purchased many of their products. And this is the ultimate drop test device for this type of product here, because this is a thin device. And just showing you the ports here as I'm speaking. This is a thin device. And if you drop this iPad Mini, I doubt that it can survive too many drops. Obviously, outside of the case, you're going to get lots of scratches and nicks and possibly even break it. So with me having a tempered glass on there, that's normally, I used to have a matte screen protector on there, but I switched from the matte screen protector because I'm using the pencil and decided to just go with glass just for the way the pencil feels. So let's check the pencil, by the way. Let's see here. Got some juice. And it even works on top of the plastic with my tempered glass. So that's good. Very nice. All right, that's good to go. So there it is, folks. Wow, this is a beautiful, beautiful case and very welcomed right here on the channel. So I appreciate you guys. There's a link in the description. This is going to set you back about $25 with the discount they have going right now. It's about 27, but I think they have a little bit less than that actually, because they got 7% off. So we shall see. You go ahead and hit that link and purchase one of these if you've been looking for a case for your iPad Mini 6. And I think you'll be happy. Take care.